Now let's see how to solve equations with parentheses. First, let's take a look at our helpful hint. Did you remove parentheses? Did you simplify each side of the equation separately? Did you isolate x terms on one side of the equation and then use the proper principle of equality to solve for x? Let's solve an equation now. We have 4 times the quantity x minus 1 equals minus 6 times the quantity x plus 2 plus 48. Our equal sign is here. We need to look on the left side and the right side of the equation and simplify each equation. In this case, we have parentheses on each side. So we're going to remove the parentheses. Again, if it helps, write the arrows to help you remember to multiply 4 times x, 4 times negative 1. So this is 4x minus 4 equals. Now let's do the same thing here. Here, you may want to circle this, go like that, go like that. Because what we have here is negative 6 times x, negative 6x. Negative 6 times positive 2, negative 12 plus 48. Now take a moment and double check your signs. 4x minus 4, negative 6x, negative 12 plus 48. Now we're going to simplify each side of the equation. The left side is simplified, but on this side, add negative 12 and 48. When we add those numbers together, we get 36. So this side of the equation becomes negative 6x plus 36. This side is 4x minus 4. Now that both sides of the equation are simplified, we have to isolate the x on one side of the equation. We have 4x here and negative 6x here. I'm going to add 6x to both sides of the equation. When I do that, this side of the equation I get 10x minus 4 equals 36. Now our equation is simplified and we can begin to solve it. To do that, we add 4 to both sides of the equation. 10x equals 40. Then we divide by 10. And we get x equals 4. Now before we say x is 4 is the final answer, let's review and make sure that we did everything the helpful hint suggested. Did we carefully remove the parentheses? Did we double check to make sure when we did our multiplication we multiplied both numbers by the term on the outside of the parentheses? Did we get all the x's on one side of the equation first? And then did we carefully use the correct principle to get our answer? Try this technique writing out every step and double checking your steps on several problems and see if it helps.